Hello everyone, this is Manoj Kumar Patra. Welcome to all of you Edu for you. So in this video we will discuss about class 5 junior math exercise 10G. Okay, so here we will discuss decimal fraction as a quotient in division of a whole number. So sometime whenever we are dividing any whole number with another whole number, we are getting the quotient as a fraction. Sometime we have seen this one. So now exactly we will learn how it is possible, how this quotient is there in the decimal form. Okay, so already we have discussed in this chapter that suppose one whole number I will write, that is 5. So this 5 also we can written in the form of 5.0, yes or no? So because that after point, that how many 0 will put, that their value will always will remain same. So this one also we can written as 5.00, or how many 0 also we may write, their value will not changed. Okay, that same thing you will use here by the division process. Suppose one division I want to do this one, that is 119 divided by 35. Okay, so what we will do here first? So 35 into what will do, then you will get this one, we can put here 3, so here we will get 105. So now we'll do the subtraction. So 9 minus 5 equal to 4. Here is 14. So now you just see here no number is there, means nothing is there to bringing down, means in this case we can put here point and many more 0 are present already, we have discussed above. Okay, so see now 10 will bringing down. So already we know this one, whenever you will bringing down the 10th places, that a quotient will put as a decimal. Is it clear all of you? So now what you can do, so 35 into 4 is equal to 140. Now this answer is 3.4. I hope you clear this one. Similarly, one more example, this one is a mixed fraction. So this mixed fraction, first of all we have to convert it into improper fraction. So this one will be 25 into 5 equal to 125 plus 1 equal to 126 divided by 25. Okay, so what you will do here, 126 divided by 25. So a fraction also can be written in the form of division. Okay, and you just remember that numerator you will write as a dividend and denominator you can write as a divisor. So these things you should clear first. Okay, this one you can write as a numerator, and this one is numerator and this one is denominator, and this numerator we can write as dividend, and this denominator you can write as divisor. Clear all of you? Now so here we can write 126 divided by 25. Okay, so 25 into 5 equal to 125, that is here is 1. So you can put here 0.00, many 0 are there, so 10th place will bringing down, means here we will put point. So 25, here the smaller number, this one is greater, means dividend is smaller, divisor is greater, so you will put 0 down. Now 10 is here, so again one more 0 you can bringing down because many more 0 are present there. So now 25 into 4 equal to 100. Is it clear all of you? I hope all of you clear this one. So now we'll start 10G, exercise 10G. Question number 1A, that is 4 divided by 5. So one thing you just remember, so many students are making mistake here, that as they are thinking that this is the greater number and this is the smaller number, so they are doing 5 divided by 4. So this is absolutely wrong. You don't do like this process. I told you now only that first number, that this one is a dividend and this one is divisor. Don't be confused. So this one will be 4, this one will be 5. So here just to see, dividend is smaller but divisor is greater. For that time you will put 0 here. 5 zeros are 0, then 4. Here is many more 0 are present, so 1 0 will bring it down, then here you will put point. So 5 8 is 40. So answer is 0.8. Clear? So here also students are doing that 12 divided by 3. You don't do. This one is 3 3 is dividend and 12 is the divisor. Okay, so again this one is smaller, so you will put 0, the 0, that is 3, and you will put point here and then you will get 0 here because many 0 are present. So here what will do? 12 2 ja 24, then here is 6, 1 0 will bringing down, then 12 5 ja 60. So answer is 0.25. So question number 2, that is 6 divided by 75. So 75 will be the divisor and this one will be dividend. So this one is smaller, means 75 into 0 is 0. So 6, here point many 0 are there, means you will point in 1 0 will bringing down. So again what you will put here 0, that is 6, 60 and 1 0 will bringing down 600. Then what we can do? We can put here 8. 75 into 8 equal to 600. So answer is this much. Okay. Similarly B number, 68 into 0 equal to 17. Then here we will put point, means 1 0 will bringing down. So this one will be 2. 68 into 2 equal to, this one is 136. So 10 minus 6 equal to 4. Here 6 minus 3 equal to 3. So 1 0 will bringing down. So 68 into 5 is equal to 340. So answer is 0.25. So 3 number is 1 by 2. So we can write this fraction as a form of division, like 1 divided by 2, because the numerator will be dividend and denominator is divisor. So here we can do 1 divided by 2. If this one is smaller, means 2 zeros are 0, so 1. Here point many 0 are there, so 1 0 will bringing down, we'll put point here. 2 5s are 10, so this one is 0.5. Similarly B number, 1 divided by 4, means 1 divided by 4, that is 1 and 4. 4 zeros are 0, 1 point will put in bringing down 0. So 4 2s are 8, 2 1 0, 4 5s are 20. So answer is 0.25. Question number 4, 3 by 4. So 3 divided by 4. This one you can write as 3 divided by 4. So 4 zeros are 0, 3.10 will bringing down. So 7 4 are 28. Then 2 1 0 will bringing down. 4 5 are 20. Clear all of you? Similarly this one also you can write as 5 divided by 8. Then 5 divided by 8. So 8 zeros are 0. 5 point will put, then will bringing down 0. Then 8 6 are 48. Then 2 is here and 0. So 8 2 are 16. Then 4 40. 8 5 are 40. So 0.625. Is it clear all of you? Similarly 5 number A, that is 2 divided by 20. So 20 into 0 equal to 0. So 2 will put point, then 0, 21 is 20. So answer is 0.1. Similarly B number, this one is 17 divided by 40. Okay, so this one is 40 zeros are 0, so 17. So here point means 0. Here 4 2 ja 80, 4 3 ja 4 4, 4 4 ja 160. So 0 1 is here. Then 1 0 will bringing down 100. Then this one will be 40 into 2 ja 80. This one is 20. 1 0 will bringing down. So 40 into 5 equal to 200. So answer is 0.425. Is it clear all of you? So 6 number is the mixed fraction. First this one you have to convert it into improper fraction, then you will do the division. So 4 1 is 4 plus 1 equal to 5 by 4. Okay. So 5 here divided by 4. 4 1 is 4. Then 5 minus 4 equal to 1. Here point means point many 0 are there. 1 0 will bringing down. 4 2 is 8. So 2 1 0 will bringing down. 4 5 is 20. 1.25 is the answer. Similarly this one 4 4 is 16 plus 3 equal to 19 by 4. So 19 divided by 4. 4 4 is 16. 9 minus 6 equal to 3. We'll put point here, 1 0 will bring it down. Then 7, 28. Here is 2, 1 0 will bring it down. 4 5 is 20. So 4.75. So clear all of you. So this type of question, which one I have not done, you can do this one. Okay, so if you clear, then you please like and subscribe to my channel Edu4U. Thank you. God bless you.